We're visiting What the Pug Cafe, which was such a cute experience. The sessions are intimate and cozy, and there's only limited space available. The pugs love cuddles and treats, and you get to take home these cute little Polaroids.
It's 11 p.m. right now, and we just went to watch the Dragon Light Drone show. It was quite chaotic in Marina, and it took us around 2 hours to get here. We're in Orchard right now, eating Don Donki. I ordered omi rice with takoyaki.
And also pork katsu or omi rice, I think. That's discounted as well. 40%.
Yeah, it's a good deal right now. So my one is $4.74.
Mine's $5.34, and also we ordered the Wagyu beef sugiyaki onigiri
I got a grape juice.
and a kelp soda. Let's get it.
Let's try it out. Like, a lot of things are closed at the moment, especially because of the Lunar New Year. But we're starving. We haven't ate since breakfast.
Yeah. The last thing we had was Shake Shack.
Cheers. This will be really good for work lunch, especially when you forget to bring it from home. You know what it tastes like? Like, you know when you have like popcorn chicken in the fridge overnight and then you put it in the microwave again?
Yeah.
That's kind of what it's like. Hey, the omi rice is nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, noodles.
Yours has noodles.
Yeah, it's not omi rice.
Omi noodles. Pork katsu. Yeah. So this grape soda, it tastes like a drink version of the haichu gum, haichu lolly.
Let's do a little hotel room tour. Our room got upgraded because the one we booked actually had a maintenance issue, so now we have a family room. It's much bigger than we need, but we're definitely so grateful for this.
It's better than Macca's.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got a chicken teriyaki burger.
How's it?
Objectively speaking, it's nice. It's not for me. I think like it's warm, it's nice. The chicken is tender. It's too sweet for me.
Is the bun dry?
No, the bun's not dry. But if you like sweeter tasting burgers, this is for you.
I just got a classic spicy burger. I didn't get like anything too crazy. Well, it's better than Macca's.
Eating some teriyaki fries. The flavor, yeah, it's like sushi fries. Chilling at Changi Airport right now with the jewel. Our flight got delayed for 24 hours, so what we're gonna do right now is eat some Shake Shack for better.
Let's go. Let's get it. We ordered a classic beef burgers. I suppose I ordered a double one.
Look at that.
Okay, so we don't have this back there in Australia, so I got chicken bites with honey mustard sauce and curly fries.
I don't think we tried the nuggets last time.
Yeah. Honey mustard sauce.
Honey mustard.
Yeah.
It's a little bit crispy on the outside. It's like a Porto popcorn chicken.
Good, yeah.
Honey mustard, very nice.
We've just checked into a hotel and we are both mentally exhausted right now. Anthony's here just curled up in a cocoon trying to find TV shows to watch. But yeah, we're just going to get ready to get some rest. The hotel we're in right now is actually quite small and cozy. Honestly, we just needed a place to stay until we get back on our flight home tomorrow.
We're at Changi Airport right now, Terminal 4, ordering some food. The food court is a pretty decent size. There's a lot of good things to pick from. We got some kaya toast. It's in this like bun form. I've just mixed the egg, soy sauce and pepper. And we also ordered some laksa hot pot. This is our last breakfast in Singapore before we go home. Our flight is actually in 7 hours, but there's so much to do at the airport alone, so we're like, oh, might as well come early.
Something like that. That's the shumai? That's the chicken breakfast.
Yeah, so the kaya toast set was $5 Singaporean. How much was the laksa?
13.10.
Does it go by weight?
No. It goes by how much add-on, because they give you the fixed price, 6 bases on add-on.
Oh, okay. The base tastes like seafood.
Yeah, that's what I realized as well.
Really spicy. I think this is the spiciest thing we've had here. So we just finished having our breakfast. I'm still a bit hungry. We're going to head to the Jewel, but quick stop first. Anthony's ordering some chendol. He's had this about 4 times now. He's obsessed.
Let's go.
How happy are you?
Good.
Off to the Jewel.
Oh, the Jewel.
Our bus to Jewel comes in 8 minutes. Do you think you can finish the chendol in time?
Yes.
Okay, so we've been at the Jewel for about 3 hours now, just trying to pass by time. First thing we did when we got inside was look at the rain vortex. It's a lot nicer during the day than at night. When we first came, it was really dark. We came at about 9:30 at night, so when we looked at it, there wasn't much to see, but it's a lot better during the day. We went to the Pokemon Center and Anthony bought a bunch of goodies for friends and family back at home. We watched some lion dancing that's happening. It seems like a few new stores have opened up at the Jewel. Not quite sure, or maybe the stores are celebrating the Lunar New Year, so that's why they've got that running. And we bought some more snacks at Don Donki. Right now, Anthony is bringing up some Shake Shack. We're really basic, so we're having it again. Hey, look at that. Ooh. Let's go.
We didn't get much sleep at the hotel last night, so now we're chilling at the Snooze lounge. Thank you so much for watching part 2 of our Singapore vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you watch out for our next vlog coming up, which is in Penang, Malaysia.